Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is one of my main essentials when it comes to my workstation. So my computer has limited USB ports, and the port station is okay. I just have a Type C, and it just works nice. But I was having several problems, such as the Ethernet connection will fall off, or it wouldn't be the best connection in the world. So this is where this USB Type C dock or hub actually comes in clutch for me. This is LasAnclas USB Type C hub that it has several other options that it will help me to get my job done, get my work done. And I'm gonna list a couple of the things I like about this the most. The build quality. This is made out of solid metal. This is the Type C material that is great, that is gonna be a rubber, that it has a great connection, great stability. It has an Ethernet port that you can actually connect it directly. And as I work from home, I constantly have to get like a stable connection that is Ethernet is not going to fail with me. This just works nice. So if you're looking for a wide range availability of ports, Ethernet, Type C, three USBs, SD card readers, this does everything for you. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.